going to be a case for my Samsung Galaxy A70. You guys can see that right there, made in China. Don't really remember the name, but it was only like I believe $8.99 on Amazon, so it just got delivered. So I just want to show you guys just real quick. You guys can check it out. Let me know what do you guys think of it. So here it is right here. It comes with a tempered glass screen protector, and we have some dust absorbers right there, and also some wet and dry wipes. So comes included all that for $8.99, $9. And let's see, so we do have the tempered glass, which I probably will not be installing. It does have a ring, a black ring around it, so it should probably fit real good. I'm not sure if it's a full adhesive screen. I'm not sure, but anyways, I got this case simply because it does have it shows you how to put it on. It's heavy duty and it looks real nice. It does have this little ring on the back. You could put your finger here, you could turn it, you could use it as a stand. If you use it in this way here, you can use it as a stand. It'll stop right there, so it won't go all the way, and it twists all around so you can use it different angles. I got it like for that, and also I got it because it is a magnet. This is right here is a magnet, and I have a magnetic car mount in my car, so I'm gonna definitely use this because I always keep forgetting, or I keep losing my those little plates that you stick on the cases. That way I don't have to stick anything on here or on the phone. So let's go ahead and put this case on real quick. It kind of resembles a UAG case / Poetic. You can see here it has definitely adds real nice grip to it, and this kickstand is awesome. Nice ring around. So yeah, it also offers some extra protection on the corner. So let's go ahead and drop this case in real quick. Hopefully it'll work with my tempered glass that I have on installed already, and yes, it does. So there it is, nice big camera cutout. You can still see it. They say it's a black, like the color of this phone is supposed to be black, but actually looks blue. It looks different colors. It's rubberized material, so it feels rubber, not like hard plastic. Camera cutout is real nice. On the top you got a little microphone cutout. On the sides you do have this little grips, extra cushion on the corners, and on the bottom you can see all the cutouts for the headphone jack, USB Type-C, microphone and speaker, and it offers a little bit of lip protection. If you decide to lay this phone face down, it'll keep the display off whatever surface you have it on. But yeah, I got this simply because of this part right here. I have a magnetic car mount in my car, and I always lose the little metal attachments that you stick on the back of the cases. I always either lose them or I can't find them. So this case here has a little magnetic right here, so this will magnetize right to my car mount. Not only that, it serves different purpose as a kickstand, so you can use this as a kickstand. It only goes up so far, and you can swivel it all the way around, or you can just put your finger through it and you know, make sure you don't drop your phone. You can use it like this. So pretty nice. It has a couple functions on it. I like it, so I'm going to go ahead and have the link down in the description below. You guys can pick it up. $8.99. Black is available, and let's test out the power button real quick. Go back home. Oh, the buttons are nice and easy to press. Volume up. Let me unlock real quick. Volume up. Yeah, so definitely it is a go. I really like this case. It feels real good. It's not too bulky, and it's better than this flimsy one that comes with it. Like I really don't like this, even though it shows off the color. It's not really going to protect the phone on the corners and stuff like this one will. So $8.99, not a bad deal. Link will be down in the description. I'll catch you guys later. We out.